Grand Rising. Happy Wednesday morning. As you can see, the rain has started. Temperature is changing fast. As they say it was going to do before this winter storm. Nationwide, well, part of the nationwide winter storm is coming in the south and the east coast. Here, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Southern Texas. Right now, it's actually kind of warm out here. I think we're in the high 50s. My day avocado is looking good. I'll bring this day avocado into my house. I will not leave it out here in the cold because it has all those nice buds on it. Flower buds are forming on it for spring, and I don't want them to die. So I'll bring this in, and this is one of the good reasons why I plant all my fruit trees in pots, because they can be easily moved indoors when we have this crazy weather that we normally don't get. Beautiful day, avocado. Look at all those buds. Everything else out here will stay out here. My dwarf peach trees, I have 6 peach trees. I have 2 different varieties. And they will get all the chill hours they need this weekend, it looks like. Bonanza. There's a fig. It'll stay out here. I'll bring this beauty in. This Jaboticaba will come in. This fruit tree will come in. Another dwarf bonanza fruit tree. See out here, all the chill hours. This Jaboticaba will come inside. And another dwarf bonanza fruit tree will stay outside. So my wood guy just pulled up. My firewood guy just pulled up. So I got to get out there and get my firewood for this weekend winter storm. Have a nice Wednesday. Be prepared.